Hey, Tiffany, what brings you in today?
I need new hair.
You need new hair.
I need new hair. I got two. I need a third one.
Yeah? Which one are we wearing today?
This is Ruby. I have two rubies. I've been very partial to Ruby.
Mm-hmm.
So.
And we've already kind of done your consultation appointment, and then we decided to film again because you have so much more confidence this go around.
Absolutely.
Yeah. What would you say to somebody who's wearing a wig for the first time?
Do it. Do it. Don't listen to anybody. Nobody knows you're wearing a wig. You know you're wearing a wig. That's it.
Yeah.
Wear it. Be confident. Have fun with it.
What was some of the conversations that you've had with other women?
Oh, I love telling them I have a wig.
Yeah.
Because most of them are like, oh, you have pretty hair and everything like that. And I show them. I'm the first one to pull it up and say, go get you a wig.
Yeah.
It is the best thing ever.
Oh. So when you're out and about and you're walking through, because this is a question that we get a lot, and it's great to hear it from a client standpoint too. So what are questions when people walk up to you? What do they ask you?
Well, they ask me, do I feel like, the first thing they ask me is, all day long, do I feel like I'm being stared at and everybody knows I'm wearing a wig? I said, when I first started wearing it, yeah, I thought people could tell. But then I realized you can't tell. Yeah. So the more I wore it, the more I'm like, embrace it, wear it with confidence. Yeah. You know, it's fun. You know, I'm excited that I can curl my hair. And you know how you always curl, you know, with your real hair, you always miss a spot back here.
Right.
You don't have to do that with this. You can curl 360. You know, it's just, it's fun.
Yeah. And your husband loves it too.
Oh, he does. Because he likes to see me confident. And I wanted to feel beautiful. I wanted to feel confident. I wanted to feel like a woman. And now I do.
Oh, I love that.
So, yeah.
Yes. And what is your hair story?
I was diagnosed with autoimmune Hashimoto's. I also have PCOS. And then I lost 120 pounds.
Congratulations.
So between the three, I had the hair loss trifecta, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So I wanted to feel like a woman, not a man.
This is going on your third year of wearing a wig.
Absolutely. This will be number 3 in my collection.
Yeah.
So
we've already done some playing.
We have.
This time we're going with fully hand-tied.
Yes.
And we're not doing a ruby.
No.
Which is completely different.
Completely different.
Yes. This time we went with a 16-inch fully hand-tied Emily.
Yes.
Which gave you that little bit of a difference that you wanted.
It did.
We went through and kind of trimmed her in, gave you some face frame, some layering.
Yes.
She's a little bit darker, but still that money piece.
Absolutely. Beautiful.
Yeah. How do you feel with having a fully hand-tied on your head?
Oh, this is amazing.
Yeah.
I love my rubies.
Mm-hmm.
But this is something like I've never worn. Mm-hmm. I mean, this, honestly, if anybody ran their hand down my hair, you wouldn't even know.
Nope.
This is the best.
Gonna spin you around and just kind of can't tell. You don't see nothing.
When they say it feels like leggings for your head, 100% agree. It feels like leggings for your head. Mm-hmm. I love it.
It looks great.
Thank you.
And we have on the 16-inch, so we didn't trim any of your length off of it. We kept your length, and we just went through and added in your layers and your face frame.
Absolutely.
And we got the brightness that your husband loves.
Yes. Yeah. That was one thing
Y'all should have seen him because he was just so great.
I had to FaceTime him. He wasn't able to be here. So.
Yeah. Which is okay. That's always an option. We keep the FaceTime open and for anybody's family. Yeah.
I love her.
You look beautiful. You look great.
Thank you.
You do. All right. Well, until next year?
Absolutely.
Next year you coming back?
Absolutely. Get one a year. Why not?
Why not? It's like an accessory. We change out our earrings. We change out our wedding
jewelry,
bands.
Absolutely.
Everything. Do we dig the wig?
I dig the wig.
Yeah. Times 3?
Times 3.
Good. Well, it was so great seeing you today, Tiffany.
Thank you.
You're welcome.